How do we develop that great sense of certainty? How do we do that so that when we meet with our clients, we just know that we're giving them the right consultation. It's not what are we doing today, and it's not about the grooming, it's about designing. It's not about how many inches am I cutting off the hair. It's what is the shape? What am I leaving behind? What is the shape going to be today? How does it fit your personality, your lifestyle, your age? How does it fit your face shape? All of those things give you that sense of certainty. When we're uncertain, the client can just feel it. And that's when the client generally takes over control. And what happens is that you become the puppet. There are three key things that I like to discuss and I like to really train around. And that is, number one, show how much you care. Second, help. You're there listening to problems and you are a solution to that problem. So it's hearing what the client wants and it's also hearing what the client does not want. And then the ultimate, to be trusted.
Can I tell you something?
Yes.
Taylor had her best week ever so far last week, and her take home was over $1,000. Her requests are like crazy, and her confidence is like through the roof. She's doing amazing. So thank you.
Yay, we love that. Congratulations.